Okay, we're going to be in section 4 today. I've had a lot of troubles with the microphone, and so I put it in a different location. See how that works, and let's get started. We're going to talk about ordered pairs today. Ordered pairs. The first thing you should think when you hear that phrase is graphing. We're going to plot some points and do some tables. So let's go ahead and look at it. 1-4, ordered pairs. When you're doing an ordered pair, you have two values. You have an x value and a y value. The x always comes first. If you were to do your alphabet, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way up to, and then you end it with X, Y, Z. So x will always be the first one. X goes with the horizontal axis. So that's going to be left or right. And then that leaves me with y being my vertical axis. And that's going to be up or down. So if I had the point 4, that would tell me I would go to the left or the right 6 spaces and up or down 6 spaces. 6 is positive. According to my number line, I should be going to the right. And because 4 is positive, then I'm going to be going up. So let's take a look at our paper. I'm going to have to move this graph paper up from the computer. Give me just a moment. Maybe. Oh, there it is. First day with graph paper. I'll get this taken care of. We're on the left side. There we go. So our coordinate was 6, 4. So I'm going to start at the origin, which is 0, 0. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. I'm going to go to the right 6 spaces. Oh, I don't want to do that. I got too close to the board. And then I'm going to go up 4 spaces. And that's my coordinate 6, 4. 6 spaces to the right, 4 spaces up. Let's do some different ones. Let's do the same point, but let's go -6, -4. So I'm going to go to the left 6 spaces. And then instead of going up 4 spaces, I'm going to go down. So that puts me right about there. Let's go +6, -4. So that's going to be 6 spaces to the right and 4 spaces down, right about there. And then let's complete this rectangle as we're making it to be -6, +4. 6 spaces to the left, and in this case we're going to go 4 spaces up because it's positive. And we should be right about there. -6, 4. You notice we do have points in all four of what's called the quadrants. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and I am writing in Roman numerals on purpose. That is how they are listed. And quadrant 4. We will need that for future knowledge. Now, what if I asked you to take all of those coordinates that we just did, 6, 4, 6, negative 4, negative 6, 4, and negative 6, negative 4. If I asked you to make a table on those, I'm just looking for a simple XY table. Could be vertical, could be horizontal. In this case, I'm going to make it vertical. I'm simply going to take the orders, all of the x's first, and I will take them in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with negative 6, negative 4, then go to negative 6, positive 4. Then I'm going to go to positive 6, negative 4. And then my final one will be 6, 4. Extend that just a little bit. At this point, they might actually ask you for the domain. And the range. The domain is all the x values in order from least to greatest, and the range is all the y values in order from least to greatest. Well, in this case, I've only got 2 x values. This is my crazy bracket. My 2 x values are going to be negative 6 and 6. And then my 2 y values or range values are going to be negative 4. Again, I don't list anything twice. So there will be cases in the work where you'll have 5 or 6 of them, but in this case I've only got 2. So that's coordinate plane. I've got graph paper for you tomorrow, so don't be too concerned about it. We will take care of it and we'll be graphing in class. See you in the morning.